Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is oats chocolate banana smoothie. It's a very healthy and tasty breakfast. So let's have a look at the ingredients first. So for this we need 4 to 5 tablespoons of quick or instant oats, 1 small banana, half tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder, half tablespoon flax seeds powder, 1/4 tablespoon cinnamon powder, 1 tablespoon of honey and 150 ml of milk. So let's make it. So first we'll roast the oats for a couple of minutes. And when the oats are roasted, we'll take it in a plate and let it cool down. Now in a mixer grinder, add 1 small chopped banana. Then we'll add the roasted oats. Then add the cocoa powder, the flax seeds powder, now we'll add a pinch of cinnamon powder. If you like the taste of cinnamon powder, you can add it more. Now I'll add a tablespoon of honey. Here instead of honey, you can use maple syrup or dates or jaggery, so it's up to you. I like the taste of honey, so I'm adding honey. It's for a little bit of extra sweetness. And now at last we'll add the milk. So if you want your smoothie to be thick, you can reduce the amount of milk. Now we'll mix it and your smoothie is ready. So here I'd like to share a tip. If you want it to be dairy free or if you're lactose intolerant, then instead of milk you can simply use water or almond milk or soy milk. It's up to you. So serve it with your favorite toppings on it. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do let me know in the comment section below. Keep sharing, keep subscribing, and thanks for watching.